Hey folks, it's Chili J. Today we are unboxing a 79-1 magnetic stirrer with a hot plate. I was currently using a $20 cheap one that did not heat up at all. And it was alright for several months, but it started to get unstable and just not quite function properly. So it's time for an upgrade. Don't mind the little jiggling, I'm sorry, but my gooseneck phone holder just does not want to cooperate today. My immediate first thoughts is how hefty the thing actually is and how minimalist the packaging really is. There's no flashy brand name, no logos, nothing, just this magnetic stir. I like the heft is actually reassuring. It feels like it's not something cheap, but legit lab gear. It's got a 3-foot cord. It's got your dials for your temperature and your speed adjustment, and your on-off switch is separate. Let's go test this out real quick, because you never know when you come with your Amazon. And once again, it's a jiggle. Alright, let's go get some water and check it out here. No, since it's plastic, we're not going to turn on the heat other than to see the light flick on. And then the speed. Got a nice little vortex going, and looks like we're good to go. Also has a jig to hold the air tubes. Alright, stay tuned folks for more.